This video will give a brief overview of open educational resources, also known as OER, and their availability at HAC. OER are teaching, learning, and research resources that are either in the public domain or have been released under an intellectual property license that permits their free use and repurposing by others. OER are commonly thought of as textbooks, but there are many types of course materials that can be OER. The advantages of using OER are they are free, and their adaptability allows them to be specifically tailored to HAC students. They are also accessible in a variety of ways for people with disabilities. Students can access OER on several types of digital devices and can also request a printed copy. The HAC OER Committee has developed a grant program that provides faculty with funding to adopt, adapt, or create OER. There are numerous disciplines at HAC that are currently using OER in their classes. The rising cost of textbooks are a huge burden for students. HAC students surveyed in 2019, 2021, and 2023 reported on the number of times that the cost of textbooks has caused them to not register for a course, take fewer courses, drop a course, or choose not to purchase a required textbook. Since introducing the OER program at HAC, these percentages have declined. The percentage of students reporting that textbook costs have not impacted them in these ways has also increased. When polled in spring 2023, over 85% of students in classes with OER appreciated having open educational resources to eliminate textbook costs. Nearly 70% of students reported that OER was important or very important to their success in the course. 89% of students also reported that if textbook costs were significantly less or free, they might be able to enroll in additional courses at HAC. A HAC student from 2022 said, "I believe OER should be the standard for all college courses, and LibreText in particular has great usable interface and note-taking highlighting system that makes taking digital notes directly from the textbook very easy." By spring 2023, over 37% of courses at HAC used free textbooks, and over 48% of courses at HAC used textbooks costing $40 or less. Students may wonder how to use open educational resources. Many HAC classes use books in LibreText, which is just one platform for accessing OER. It is accessible for disabilities and includes preferences such as changing font, size, and color, and working with screen readers, as well as includes options for taking notes and highlighting. In LibreText, students will find hypotheses for note-taking and highlighting in the top right of the page. Selecting the tab will open the menu, and selecting the eye will allow students to see or hide comments. The left side of the bar menu includes readability. After one selects readability, a new menu opens to allow students to change how the text appears for them. If you need a printed copy of your OER, you can request one using the print form. Your instructor may provide the link to the print request form in their course. If not, students can access the form from the HAC Learning Commons webpage. Select User Support, then Printing, then Large File Print Request. If you have any questions about OER, please reach out to the OER co-chairs Allison Valentine and Karen Woodring.